staying strong, healthy, and youthful. By subscribing, liking, and ringing, you can greatly support our channel and help us produce more content that you'll love. Hello and welcome to the Longevity Lifestyle YouTube channel. The health benefits of eggplant, exploring the power of polyphenols, anthocyanins, and anti-inflammatory properties. Eggplants, also known as aubergines, are a widely consumed vegetable in many parts of the world, known for their unique taste and versatility in cooking. While often used in savory dishes, such as stews, curries, and stir-fries, eggplants also boast a range of health benefits that make them an excellent addition to any diet. In this video, we'll be talking about the nutritional profile of eggplants and delve into the science behind their many health-promoting properties, including their high levels of polyphenols and anthocyanins, their potent anti-inflammatory effects, and their anti-cancer activity. Nutritional profile of eggplants. Eggplants are low in calories, with just 35 calories per cup, making them an excellent choice for weight management. They are also rich in dietary fiber, which helps to promote satiety and improve digestive health. Additionally, eggplants are a good source of several key vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, an essential antioxidant that helps to support immune function and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, vitamin K, important for blood clotting and bone health, vitamin B6, necessary for brain development and function, potassium, helps to regulate blood pressure and support heart health, manganese, important for metabolism and bone health. Eggplants also contain several important phytonutrients, including polyphenols, anthocyanins, and chlorogenic acid, which contribute to their many health benefits. Polyphenols in eggplants. Polyphenols are a group of plant-based compounds that have been linked to a range of health benefits, including reduced inflammation, improved blood sugar control, and lower risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Eggplants are particularly rich in two types of polyphenols: phenolic acids and flavonoids. Phenolic acids are a type of polyphenol that are found in many plant-based foods, including fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. They have been shown to have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, which can help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. One of the most abundant phenolic acids in eggplants is chlorogenic acid, which has been shown to have a range of health benefits, including reducing inflammation, improving blood sugar control, and protecting against liver damage. Flavonoids are another type of polyphenol that are found in many plant-based foods, including fruits, vegetables, and herbs. They have been linked to a range of health benefits, including improved heart health, reduced inflammation, and lower risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and Alzheimer's disease. One type of flavonoid that is particularly abundant in eggplants is anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are a type of flavonoid that are responsible for the purple color of many fruits and vegetables, including eggplants. They have been shown to have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, which can help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Studies have also linked anthocyanin-rich diets to improved heart health, reduced inflammation, and lower risk of cognitive decline. Eggplants are one of the richest dietary sources of anthocyanins, with purple-skinned eggplants containing higher levels than white or green-skinned varieties. One study found that eggplant juice, which is rich in anthocyanins, was able to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in mice with liver damage. Anti-inflammatory properties of eggplants. In addition to their high levels of polyphenols and anthocyanins, eggplants also contain several other compounds that have been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory properties. One of these compounds is nasinin, which is found in the skin of eggplants and has been shown to have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Studies have also linked nasinin to improved brain function and reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease. Eggplants also contain several other anti-inflammatory compounds, including solacinine and solomargine, which have been shown to have anti-cancer properties and may help to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Anti-cancer effects of eggplants. In addition to their anti-inflammatory properties, eggplants also contain compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer effects. One of these compounds is solicidine rhamnosyl glycosides, SRGs, which has been found to induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancer cells. SRGs have also been shown to inhibit cancer cell growth and metastasis in several types of cancer, including melanoma, breast cancer, and liver cancer. Eggplants also contain chlorogenic acid, a potent antioxidant that has been shown to have anti-cancer effects in several studies. One study found that chlorogenic acid was able to inhibit the growth of human liver cancer cells, while another study found that it was able to induce apoptosis in human colon cancer cells. In addition to these specific compounds, the high levels of polyphenols and anthocyanins in eggplants may also contribute to their anti-cancer effects. Several studies have linked diets rich in polyphenols and anthocyanins to reduced risk of certain types of cancer, including breast cancer and colon cancer. How to incorporate eggplant into your diet? Eggplant is a versatile vegetable that can be prepared in many different ways. Here are some ideas for incorporating eggplant into your meals. Roast eggplant and use it as a topping for pizza. Grill eggplant and serve it with hummus and pita bread. Make eggplant curry by simmering diced eggplant in a flavorful sauce made from coconut milk, curry paste, and spices. Grill eggplant slices for a vegetarian alternative to steak. Eggplant is a nutritious and delicious vegetable that can benefit your health in many ways. So why not give it a try and discover all the tasty ways you can incorporate it into your meals? Conclusion: eggplants are a highly nutritious vegetable that are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and a range of health-promoting phytonutrients. Their high levels of polyphenols and anthocyanins give them potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. The anti-cancer effects of eggplants may make them a valuable addition to a cancer-preventive diet. Adding eggplants to your diet is a delicious and easy way to support your overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful. I recommend that you watch all the videos I upload from the beginning to gain a comprehensive understanding of the topics covered. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. See you in the next one.